हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा JSW स्टील लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइस, JSW स्टील लिमिटेड, सेक्टर मेटल्स, फेरस इंडस्ट्री स्टील। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 682.20 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹750। 750 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। JSW स्टील लिमिटेड, this is the technical chart on JSW Steel. Insights, key metrics, returns. Okay, JSW share price, insights, employee and interest expenses. Company has spent 3.39% of its operating revenues towards and interest expenses and 2.39% towards employee cost in the year ending 31st March 2022. Source consolidated financials. Okay, key metrics: PE ratio 44.40, EPS TTM 15.36, market capital 1,64,902 crore. Sectoral market capital rank first, PB ratio 2.43, dividend yield 2.54, face value 1, beta 2.19, VWAP 681.32 and 52-week low high 790/520.05. JSW share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay, news. JSW news and analysis. JSW share analyze. Recommendation: strong buy. Financials. Okay, MD&A ratios, cash flow, balance sheets and income, profit and loss. Okay, quarterly annual December 2022 total income growth 39,322, total income growth minus 6.30, total expenses 36,469, total expenses growth minus 11.57, EBITDA 2,853, EBITDA growth plus 292.98, profit after tax PAT 490, EBITDA margin 7.26, net profit margin 1.25, basic EPS 2.04. Okay, forecast. Technicals. Price analyze. 47% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis, and 53% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels: ATR classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 683.33, ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison. This is a technical chart. Okay, stock returns versus Nifty 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 389.05% as compared to Nifty 100, which gave a return of 101.28% as of last trading season. Okay, stock returns versus Nifty Metal. Stock generated 389.05%. Okay, return as compared to Nifty Metal, which gave our investors 262.15% return over 3-year time period as of last trading season. Okay, ratios performs. JSW Steel, Tata Steel, JSPL, SAIL. Shareholding pattern. Total shareholdings. Okay. Quarter on quarter change. Category 31st December 2022. Promoters 45.19, pledge 17.57, FII 26.04, DII 9.34, mutual fund 1.73, others 19.43. Okay, mutual funds. Okay, first Kotak Balance Advantage Fund Hybrid Dynamic Asset Allocation, rating 3 star, amount invested 130.06 crore, 0.91% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then second, SBI Balance Advantage Fund Direct Growth Hybrid Dynamic Asset Allocation, amount invested 101.87 crore, 0.47% annual, minus 2.58% change month to month basis. Okay, then third, Kotak Equity Arbitrage Direct Growth Hybrid Arbitrage, rating 4 star, amount invested 82.96 crore, 0.38% annual, plus 839.80% change month to month basis. Okay, F and a quote. Corporate action. JSW Steel dividends. Others. Okay, JSW Steel dividend July 04 2022, dividend per share 17.35. Okay, about JSW Steel. Okay, so guys, JSW Steel Limited, incorporated in the year 1994, is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 1,66,328.94 crore, operating in metals and ferrous sector. एक मेटल कंपनी है ये. JSW Steel Limited की प्रोडक्ट रेवेन्यू सेगमेंट इंक्लूड हॉट रोल्ड coils, plates, sheets, roll product, coils and cold rolled coils and sheets, and galvanized iron ore, ballets and blooms. Other operating revenue, SS slabs for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials. For the quarter ended 31st December 2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of Rs 39,322 crore, down 6.30% from last quarter. Total income of Rs 41,966 crore and up 2.87% from last year. Same quarter, total income of Rs 38,225 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of Rs 530 crore in latest quarter. Okay. Company has SR Basi and Company LLP as its auditors as on 31st December 2022. The company has a total of 241.72 crore shares outstanding. Okay. Savitri Devi Jindal, Chairperson, Amrit, and Sajjan Jindal, Chairman and Managing Director, Industry Steel Integrated. Location JSW Center, Bandra Kurla Complex, Bandra East, Mumbai, Maharashtra 400051, India. Okay, so guys, JSW Steel Limited current market price 682.20 with a target price of rupees 750. Sector metals, ferrous, industry and steel integrated. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.